Karen! Karen!
Yes, Mama.
Go look if rain a fall out the door.
Let's look for.
Yes, look if rain a fall.
You want to know if it is raining?
Little bit let me say look if rain a fall and top ask me if it raining.
Mama, you're supposed to say if it is raining, not if rain a fall. Because once it is raining, it has to fall. So you don't say if rain a fall. Ask me if it is raining.
Little Penny, leave me alone. Me say if rain a fall. Rain a fall.
Do the right thing.
Oh yeah, go sit down.
Mama, sit down.
Yes, we say if sit down.
You're not supposed to say sit down. You're to say sit. Because once you sit, you have to go down. So you're to say sit.
Oh yes, about sit down. Me say sit down, about sit.
I just don't tell you the truth.
Look up in the left me alone. You know what? Stand up. Yes, me say stand up.
Stand up. Mama, you're to say stand. Because once you stand, you're going to go up. So you're to say stand.
Look here. I that me send you a college for to come bother me.
Mama, it is the right thing.
Which right thing?
Say.
You have to stand up. Yes, Miss Oxford Dictionary, Miss Encyclopedia. And me get ignorant on you.
Mama, are you sure that's the word?
Yes, me will get ignorant on you.
Or is it arrogant?
Me say ignorant.
Mama, ignorant means lacking of knowledge. You can't say you're going to get ignorant on me. You're going to lack knowledge on me. That don't make sense, Mama. Say arrogant,
Little bit, let me alone.
Hi, hello. I hope you enjoyed that little skit between Karine and her mama. Now, we have some words that we often misuse when we're using them, especially in text, and for children who are writing sentences or writing stories or comprehensions, then we sometimes use words that are necessarily not the way they're supposed to be used. And here I have some. And my first word is there and there. Now sometimes when we are doing text especially, we use these words in sentences, but when we read the sentences, they're not saying what they're supposed to be saying based on the word that we used. Now this word, T-H-E-I-R, there, it is a possessive pronoun meaning belonging to them. The book is on their table. The table belongs to them. It's their table. It's showing possession. Something is in their possession. It belongs to them. Now this there, T-H-E-R-E, it means a place. Like the book is over there. It's referring to a place. So next time when you're writing boys and girls, and if you want to write a sentence that says something belongs to a group of people or a group of persons or animals or whatever case may be, you're to use the word there. T-H-E-I-R. There. But if you want to write something that says that something is in a place or in a certain position, you're going to say it is over there or go over there. It's telling you to go somewhere, to go to a place, and you use this word there. Both sound the same, but they are spelled differently and they have different meanings. Now these two words, they are frequently misused, and I see this mostly in text. Now, for this word, both of them are saying grateful. This is grateful and this is grateful. But one of them is incorrect. It's incorrect in spelling. So we're not supposed to use that word. And the incorrect word, which one do you think it is? Now somebody wants to say, I am grateful I am grateful for your help. You want to show them that you're thankful and that you appreciate the person. So you want to say that you're grateful. Which one of these grateful will you use? This one. That's the grateful. This one. That's wrong. There's no such word as greatful. This is incorrect in spelling. But this is the correct grateful. If you want to say that I am grateful for my life, or I'm grateful to God, I'm grateful to my friend, you're appreciating someone, and you want to use the word grateful, then you use this spelling, not this spelling. Now, if you remember in Karine and Mama's kit, now Mama says she's going to get ignorant on Karine. Now, ignorant is a word that we often use, we often misuse it. Now, I've been growing hearing this word, don't let me get ignorant on you. You ever hear that, boys and girls? Yes. Now, our parents love to use that word to us and even other people. But really and truly, the word that they want to use is arrogant, not ignorant. Because ignorant means lack of knowledge, means that you don't know something. I was ignorant of COVID-19, which, well, necessarily not true, but just for talk's sake. When you're ignorant of something, it means that you don't know it. You're lacking knowledge of it. But arrogant, it means it's an unpleasant behavior towards someone who is getting probably boisterous. They'll be arrogant. So next time, boys and girls, when somebody's saying, don't make me get ignorant on you, tell them, no, that's not the word. Maybe you're trying to say arrogant. You're getting arrogant. That means your behavior is not nice towards me. Now we have much and many. Much and many. Now we use much when the thing cannot be counted. When we cannot say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and get a definite number, then we say much. For instance, you say, how much time do you have left? Can we count time? Can we say this is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times? No. We have to say how much. Or you can say, how much money do you have to spend? Yes, we use the word much with money because we cannot count money and say 1 money, 2 money, 3 money, 4 money. We do not count money like that. Or we can say, I love you very much. Can you count love? No. So we use much when we cannot count the thing or the noun. When we cannot apply a number to it, then we use much. Now, when do you think we use many? Very good. When we can count it. How many books are in your bags? Can you count how many books in your bags? Yes, we can count books. So we can say, how many? How many toys do you have? Isn't it possible for you to count your toys? Yes, so we use many. So remember, we use much when we cannot count the noun or the thing. And we use many when we can count. Now, here we have 2 words that are often misused, especially this word. And this is disadvantage. This word is disadvantage and this word is advantage. Now, the word disadvantage, it means it's an unfavorable condition that reduces the chance for success. That's being at a disadvantage. When there is a condition that reduces your chance for success. Now, advantage, it is a favorable condition that increases your chance for success. Now, normally we hear people say someone is taking disadvantage of another person. Now, if that person is taking disadvantage of the person, it means that they are putting themselves in a position to be unsuccessful. And you would not want that, wouldn't you? So we do not say you're taking disadvantage of the person. You're taking advantage of him or her because you're using that person to gain success. Well, the advantage can be that you're putting the person in a bad position, or you're treating that person unfavorably for your benefit. So that person is an advantage for you. So if you're using someone, like some people, yes, we use people to gain success. So we're taking advantage of that person. So we do not say, Emma take disadvantage of me, or the person is taking disadvantage. They're not taking disadvantage. They're taking advantage of the person. Next, we have loose and loose. Loose, loose. Now, loose is when something becomes slack, or the grip is not tight anymore, it's loosened. That's loose. But loose is to be unable to find. When you cannot find something, that means you lose it. But loose is to unfasten. It's not tight anymore, so you loose it. Like you tie a piece of string and it's too tight, so you make it becomes loose. But loose when you cannot find something. That's one of the meaning. Next we have break and break. Break and break. Now, this break, B-R-A-K-E, this is a device that is used to slow down moving object, or a moving vehicle, or to stop a moving vehicle. Break. And oftentimes we use it, I see this word being used as to say that we want a break from something, or we break something. Now this is the word. If you want to say break or to pull apart, we use this word. Or if you want to say that we stop from doing something, or we will use this word, break. For instance, you are reading a book and you take a break and go and eat lunch or eat something. Then we do this break. This is the break. But this break, this is the device that is on a vehicle or on a moving object to stop it or to slow it down. This break. Now, these two last words, now these are misconfused or misused phrases. This is at all and this is at all. Now sometimes when I'm reading text, I see persons write like, I do not know him at all. That's how we Jamaicans speak. But we say at all. At all. But the correct thing to say is at all. If we want to use the word, we have to say at all, not at all or at all. But it's mostly contributed to the way we speak. We speak patois. And because we speak patois, sometimes we write patois. So we say at all instead of saying at all. So remember, when you want to refer to anything and using the word at all, we say at all, not at all. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for tuning into my lesson once more, and I hope you have gain some informative information. And you're going to put these words into practice. Who am I? Auntie Karine. And remember to follow me on Facebook, also on Instagram, and on YouTube. Thank you so much for all your subscriptions. Please tell everyone about my YouTube channel and my online reading lessons so that they too can benefit. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.